Good morning everyone. I am Anupama Dash and today I am going to talk about how to give a presentation. So without any further delay, let's get started. Well, let me tell you why I am doing this presentation video, because recently I have to present some presentation about e-business and this is my first time presentation and I was very afraid and underconfident about giving a presentation because I was not that confident enough to give presentation in front of a class. So I don't know what to do, what not to do, what to say. I was very confused and I feel many people feel the same way. So I am doing this video to share my experience about giving a presentation. Well, my task was there is a team of 5 members and I have to explain 2 slides and the other team members explain the other ones. So let's get started with some points which help us to give a presentation correctly. Well, the first thing we have to do in a presentation is introduce ourselves, but before that greeting is must, like good morning, good afternoon or good evening to our teacher or the audience in front of us is very important. After the greeting part, we introduce ourselves, like I am Anupama Dash and today I am presenting that slide, like that. Then the introduction about the presentation is very important. You have to introduce the project to audience, like if you are giving, like I give the presentation about e-business, so the introduction part is all about what is e-business and what is the advantage, benefits, like that. So you can introduce the project very well to audience, and if the introduction part is very good, the audience is very much attached to the presentation and they are sincere about what you are talking to. Next, the body of the project, like benefits, advantage, disadvantage is a part where you can share the points to them. And the most important part, the ppt which you are describing is not a brief thing, like there should be written a small keywords. Like if you are giving an introduction about e-business, then there is not written the whole thing. There should be written a small keywords by looking which you can recall the points and describe to them if you forget in case. Like what I have said, that the introduction part must be a good one so that the audience connect to you and listen what you are saying about. The conclusion part also be a good one, because the conclusion part is very vital in a presentation like the introduction part. So prepare yourself to give a good introduction and conclusion part, and the body of the part will be also good if the introduction and conclusion part is good. Well, I have already described how to give a presentation in front of an audience. First, greetings, then introduce yourself, then introduce the project, then the body part, and then the conclusion of the project. Well, now I am going to discuss about what to do in a presentation and what not to do in a presentation. So, the first thing, you should be very loud and clear about your points, because the most important part of giving an presentation is reaching to your audience. If you are not loud enough, then your audience couldn't hear you and lost interest about what you are saying and started talk among themselves, and you will be hesitated when you see those people is talking among themselves, and the presentation could be harmed by that. Then the second thing, you should be confident enough to give a presentation, like your body posture, your speaking skills. I am not talking about the language, I am talking about how clear you are when you are giving a presentation is very vital. And the third thing is, you should be clear about the concept of the project. You should know the whole project. Like if you are giving an presentation in team and you have to describe 2 slides, that doesn't mean that you should know the 2 slides. You should know the whole project and whole concept. Believe me, when you know the whole concept, if you forget something, you can manage that. But if you memorize only those slides which we have to present, you will forget, and if you forget, that hamper your confidence. Like when I was giving an presentation, I memorized some slides, but I know the whole concept. But when I came in front of the people of my class, I forget everything which I have memorized or written. So I give the presentation by the same at that time. Like certainly I thought that what I know I will describe, and the presentation goes really well. So know about the whole concept is a very important thing. And the last point is, language doesn't matter in a presentation. We all thought that if we are giving a presentation in English, we should be a very good speaker or something. Not like that. If you are not good in English that much, that doesn't harm your presentation. The most important thing is you should reach your audience by your words. They should understand what you are saying. That's enough. So that's all about giving and presentation. I hope I have given you some idea of giving and presentation and how to give an presentation. Well, I hope I have made a clear point about presentation, and we will meet in another video of mine. Till then, please wait and watch my another video in my channel if you like this video. And if you like the concept, please like and subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications about my video, and comment below what you have learned today and what you like or not like about the video. Your opinion is very important to us. Thank you.